Manually creating tasks every time you onboard a new client? Here's how to automate your entire client onboarding system in ClickUp so you never lift a finger again. Today, we're using ClickUp's built-in automation features to automatically create tasks, assign team members, and send notifications the moment a new client is added. By the end of this, your onboarding runs itself. Let's get started. So the first things you'll want to do is be able to go into the list that you have created to track your client onboarding process. Then you're going to click automations, and that'll be the lightning bolt button. And you'll come here, which is your automation workspace. And this is where we're going to begin. First, we're going to start off under the trigger. And we're going to change this to when the status changes to a status called onboarding started, and just that status. Next, we're going to create a new action. And the action step we're going to do is we're going to create a new task. Now here we can make this task be whatever we want. So for example, we can say send welcome email. Now you can have that task be created in whatever you want. You can have it as its own separate task in your awesome tracker list. We could also use create a subtask. And the parent task being the task that triggered this off, right? So now we're good. We'll create a subtask, and this will be with our client information. Once a new client is starting onboarding, we can make the subtask send welcome email. We can add a template. We can change the status of the subtask, add a description, like use the standard email template to complete this task. We can assign a due date. We can assign an actual assignee to it, and a plethora of other things as well. Imagine what you could do here. You can add in custom fields. We can also create a new action step after this as well. So let's say we want to add a comment to this text. We can say thank you for getting this done. And there you go. And whatever else that you are interested in doing, you can do that here as well. The important part is knowing that you can create something that's automatic and that it can be developed as soon as you are interested for this to be done. And it's helpful for your client because they'll be able to see what's happening when it comes to their onboarding process. Your team will be able to get done with your task as soon as possible and as soon as you create this automation and that task itself. Now, all they'll have to do is click save. And now you'll come to this page where your new task is created. You can also change the title like we did here, where we called it New Client Onboarding Started, Create New Task. All that's left from here is let's test this out. So let's say we have a new client called Super Awesome Client. We've added them into our tracker sheet, the Super Awesome Client Tracker. We're going to change the status to Onboarding Started. And then from here, you'll see we have a new task, which is to send the welcome email. And we see that we've already had assigned to one of our teammates as well. So as you can see here, now that we have our new list of tasks that happen for this new client, now our team is already set. Everyone's able to keep on track. No more copy and pasting, no more forgetting steps, just smooth automated onboarding every single time. Now, do you want this exact same automation and this template plus 100 plus more? Then join the inFlow community for career professionals who want to learn AI and automation for their side hustle. Link in bio and description. Build systems that work while you do. Be inFlow. See you soon.